a hands-on learning tools to learn how basic logic gates like AND or NOT using switches and LEDs. It's make learning digital logic easy and clear. Developed by Barulo, Cartagenas, Katipon, De Los Reyes, Mendoza, and Robiso.
So the title of our design project is Arduino-based Logic Circuit Activity Kit for the course CPE 311 Logic Circuits and Design of Third-Year Computer Engineering students at Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng San Pablo. And here are the objectives of our project. The general objective is to support computer engineering students and faculty handling the CPE 311 Logic Circuit and Design for the aid developments. The specific objectives are to develop an activity kit that visualizes fundamental concepts of logic circuits and is capable of the following. The first one is to perform 7 logic gates, which are the AND, OR, NOT, NAND, NOR, XOR, and XNOR that students can practice and test. Next one is enabling students to integrate hands-on logic circuit activity kit and allowing them to analyze circuits. Next one is providing truth tables for the correct answers of the task given, allowing students to verify and understand the logic behind their designs after completing the task. And the next one is incorporating visual and auditory indicators such as light-emitting diodes or LEDs, buzzers, and DC motors to demonstrate circuit outputs in real time, enhancing student engagement and understanding through interactive feedback. And the second one is evaluate the activity kit's compliance with ISO 25010 standards for educational resources. And the last one is to deploy the activity kit within the computer engineering laboratory at Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng San Pablo. You will later on see the capabilities of our activity kit that meets our objectives.
This is the parts and function of our device. The first one is Arduino Mega 2560, used for its ample I/O pins, memory, and processing power, handles multiple components, and complex digital logic simulation. Arduino Uno, dedicated to control the LCD, used because Mega pins are already full occupied. Protoboard serve as the main platform and connecting the organized circuit components allow easy design testing and troubleshooting. MCP 23017 expands input and output capabilities beyond what the Arduino offers, connects additional components by a I2C protocol. IC slot provides secure placement for the expander, allows easy intersection and replacement for the chips. Toggle DPI4 switch provides security placement for the expander, allow easy intersection and replacement of the chip. Toggle DPI1 switch allow manual section and serve logic gates and or not, etc. Enables hands-on experimentation with logic function.
KCD4 rocker switch switches between manual and automatic operation modes. LED or light-emitting diodes indicate logic output states on for high, off for low. LCD I2C 20x4 displays truth table, game number, and timer. It is controlled by the Arduino Uno. The banana plugs and sockets used for power, signal connections, and easy interfacing support input-output testing and circuit expansion. Push buttons control timer functions, stop and reset, allow scrolling up and down on the LCD display. Next is for the outputs. DC motor demonstrates control of real-world device using digital logic, converts logic output into mechanical motion. Buzzer provides audio feedback for certain logic conditions, simulates alarm or notifications. KCD for rocker switch, switches between manual and automatic operation modes. LED or light emitting diodes indicate logic output states on for high, off for low. LCD I2C 20x4 displays truth table, game number, and timer. It is controlled by the Arduino Uno. The banana plugs and sockets used for power, signal connections, and easy interface